because of his greed, his selfishness, his complete disregard of and disrespect of others and life.
Next, we take you to Cincinnati, Ohio, for the sentencing of 23-year-old Jaleel Smith Riley.
Yeah, man, blessed morning. And I want to big up my viewers and my subscribers. See? And sometimes you watch some video and it just make you feel angry inside. And I watch a video not too long ago. And I say, wow. The reason why I met this or even talk about this because me's a human being as well. And a whole heap of youth go through a whole heap of things. And them feel like say violence and badness is the way out. Nothing no go submerging.
There was a guy outside of the car who looked like he was bleeding from multiple spots.
Smith Riley then leaned into the car and fired at Brooks.
There's a lady in it, and she's bleeding.
She died 3 days later. After a lengthy investigation, police arrested Smith Riley, charging him with both shootings. To avoid the death penalty, he pled guilty to aggravated murder and attempted murder.
I want every youth know this. Yo, once there's a will, there's a way. And in idea, none of we are perfect. Because sometimes, even me myself, you don't know, somebody will say something or somebody will piss you off and immediately, you don't have no logics. You don't have no rational thinking going on. And sometimes you will just snap and you will do something, boom, in the moment. Give somebody one lick or give somebody one slap or whatever, and that person can end up dead. And guess what? You never really mean it. But guess what? Boom, you're going to prison for life. So in idea, I did it and I say, yo, you know what? I'm going to make a little clip of this something here. I don't leave it alone, but I said no. And this is about a little youth. I'm a little youth, a big man, but he's about 22, 23 years old. And this man decides say him and him friend them are going to rob one woman and her man in a them car. So the couple seems like them in the car and the man them pull up on them and say them are going to rob them. And when them ask them for money or whatever, them never get the money where them want, so they come make them angry. And them shoot the man in them head, but he never dead. Thank God he never dead. And then now them go in the car and start shoot the girl, and the girl dead. And me I said, Jano, the shooter, him alone them wall. So, him about 22, 23 years old. Now, him take a life, him almost take another life. And now him a go serve life in prison without parole. 23 years old. And me I say, yo, Chano, you can imagine you just throw away your life for go rob somebody. Really, yo? And this man in a court, a cry, him sorry, him this, him that. Maybe him sorry for true. But guess what now? The reason why I'm really sorry is because him get caught. Him never know say him will get caught. Because thief never know say them will get caught, you know. Them always think them can get away. So, me say all of that for said this. Youths, put down badness. Put down badness. You see, when time you do badness and things go wrong, you have to face the consequence.
Four defendants serve a term of life without parole. As to count 4, the offense of attempted murder.
Smith Riley receives a life sentence. He is not eligible for parole.
This man not have no chance of parole. He's a 23-year-old. And now he must spend the rest of his life in a prison. Beside man, just for one bad choice. And any idea, as me say, that can happen to anybody. You know, if it happen with a gun or a knife, It can happen if you and somebody catch up physically. It can happen if you drive down the road and you lick down somebody by accident. You never know. So anything can happen. Anything can happen, yo. We have to just be careful. But when a man take up a gun and walk towards a couple and literally go rob them and shoot them, there's no excuse for that. That is not an accident. That is premeditated. And him left the man almost crippled, and the girl, our mother, our sister, the whole of them are grieved now. Now him gone to prison for life, and now him family are grieved as well. So yo, sometimes we have to take our time and think, you know, and them things make me think, and me and say, boy, you know what, catch back myself sometime and say, yo, certain things not worth it. Remember me tell you. So we just the one say that at least one youth can hear it, and I go play the video so you can watch it. Yeah man, big up on yourself, get an exercise routine, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Yeah man, Big Voice Radio representing straight.
I have left because of his greed, his selfishness, his complete disregard of and disrespect of others and life.
Next, we take you to Cincinnati, Ohio, for the sentencing of 23-year-old Jaleel Smith Riley. Nearly 3 years earlier, 20-year-old Portia Brooks was in her car with boyfriend Aaron Martin when Smith Riley and two men approached, looking to rob them. You can see the group on this security footage as they near the vehicle. Smith Riley ordered Martin out of the car, and when he didn't have any cash, he shot him in the head, causing permanent brain damage.
There was a guy outside of the car who looked like he was bleeding from multiple spots.
Smith Riley then leaned into the car and fired at Brooks.
There's a lady in it, and she's bleeding.
She died 3 days later. After a lengthy investigation, police arrested Smith Riley, charging him with both shootings. To avoid the death penalty, he pled guilty to aggravated murder and attempted murder. He's now facing a sentence from anywhere between 23 years to life without parole. But before sentencing, with victim Aaron Martin sitting in the gallery, Portia Brooks' family speaks directly to the court, as well as the man who shattered their lives.
He killed me mentally, emotionally. He killed my identity as a mother of 3, as a family of 4. This is what I have left because of his greed, his selfishness, his complete disregard of and disrespect of others and life. This is what I have left. I talk to her, I kiss her, I hold her. But as you can see, I get nothing back except the reality that she is gone.
Next to speak was Portia's younger sister.
He wants parole. Well, I want my sister. Let's trade it. I have to deal with life without Portia, so he should deal with life without parole.
Then it's Smith Riley's turn to try to convince the court that he deserves leniency.
Sorry. Go back, I'm so sorry. This is what I come up with.
And his attorney offers some final words.
This is somebody that feels genuine remorse. This is somebody that thinks about this every day, and he knows that he can't go back in time and undo what he did.
Finally, it's Judge Charles Kubicki who gets the last word.
Four defendants serve a term of life without parole. As to count 4, the offense of attempted murder.
Smith Riley receives a life sentence. He is not eligible for parole.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.